Hello everybody, this is Nora with NAQ57 and I know it has been a while since I've been here, but today I bring you a review of this wonderful set of gel polishes by MEFA. And I had to show you the packaging. Check out the box, how beautiful. Needless to say, this really will make a nice gift set for someone that you yourself or a nail enthusiast that you know of out there. These are beautiful. There's a beautiful color collection in here that is good to wear as a solid colors or to use them for nail designs and nail art. But yes, so this is the packaging right here. The box is empty because I've already taken them out of the box. But here you can see the back with some warnings. And this product is available on Amazon. I will have the link down in the description bar below. You guys can go and check that out. So yes, as you can see from the box, this contains 20 different colors plus 3. The 3, and I will show you in a second, are the bases, the clear polishes or the clear gels that you will need for the application, meaning such as the base and 2 top coats. 1 glossy top coat and 1 matte top coat. So let me bring these over. I already have them here to the side. Here they are, nicely, neatly packaged here on this foam to keep them from moving around. This is how they are in the box. There you can see, and I do like immediately how they have the stickers on the top giving you an idea, a visual idea of the colors, what to expect. There you can see. And these are the 3 clear gels. So we have, this is the base, the matte, and the top coat. The glossy top coat. And I'm going to show you so you can see the viscosity of these gels. I will tell you right away. So I'm not going to do swatches. I do have a color wheel to show you the colors, but I'm not going, there's so many of them, 20 of them. I didn't want to do the swatches live here during the video, but I've already swatched them on the color wheel and I will show you what they look like. I will open a couple so you can see the viscosities. There's a few glitters in here. They're absolutely gorgeous. I do like the color range, quite versatile, and I will say there's some neutrals in here. There's some bright colors, so very nice for spring, gearing towards summer. You know, starting the spring. Usually in the spring or between seasons, I kind of like to, I don't know, maybe sport some neutrals. And then start getting into brighter colors. Although now here in Florida, you know, sometimes it's hard to convince people that there are seasons, because it's hard to see the seasons here in Florida. So as you can see, let me go ahead and remove. So we have some greens, we have some reds, some oranges, yellows, and then some neutrals. Let me go ahead and start by showing you the top coat. Let me bring you a little closer. Okay, so just so you can see the viscosity on this glossy top coat, I like how it's got a good viscosity, so not too runny. There you see it. And I have used it. Yes, the color of my nails came from that collection, and I will tell you which colors I use for this design. Then I am used to the matte. This is the matte top coat. I am used to the matte top coats being a little bit more thinned out. Now let me show you that. This one is not as thin of a viscosity as I'm used to. I do like the viscosity on it. This one, when you see this top coat, it does tend to look cloudy. If you notice that from the bottle. On application, it goes on glossy, obviously. It does not, you do not have to wipe this. It's quite interesting to see it as it's curing under the lamp when you have your hand inside the lamp, and it starts curing, drying out, and it goes matte. Okay, very, very cool. I do like this. Again, not a white top coat, a non-wipe top coat, no tacky layer to have to wipe out or wipe off. Same thing with the glossy top coat. It's a no wipe top coat. So these are really good top coats. And we have the base. Here's the base right here. Oh, and so these bottles, yes, so they are all the mini bottles. These are all 5 mLs. Make a really nice, oh, this is a tight fit right here. Make a really nice collection. And here's the, also the base is something that you will kind of expect it to be somewhat thin, but this one, not too thin. Really nice. And though these cure for 30 seconds under your LED, they are curable under LED or UV lamps, which is good to know. Okay, so let me go ahead and show you as I'm gonna pull out one of the colors here. I'll pull out this green. Green is my favorite color, guys. And I love these greens, all these shades. So I had to say, I haven't used this green one. So what I tried to do was I will have pictures at the end of this video for you guys so you can see the designs that I did on some of my clients using a few of the colors. I don't know how I will ever get to use all 20 of them. But they are beautiful, and I liked the formula. They apply really, really easy, very easy to apply. 2 coats and they were done. A design like this, so for example, like this is something that I did freehand. So this was one. They're opaque enough that I was able to get away with 1 coat on this design. It's not, you know, it's not the kind of thing that you kind of, but yes, it worked. They worked really well for a design like this and doing a freehand design and just get away with a single coat applying that. I'm sorry I don't have a tutorial on this, but hopefully this, just by seeing the pictures and seeing this video, it will serve as good inspiration for you. As far as longevity, you can expect 3 to 4 weeks. But then again, you know, a lot of people always ask, how long do they last? How long will the gel last? A lot of it has to do with nail preparation, a good base, a proper nail preparation, and a good, proper use of the product. Yeah, I would say they always, to me, they last until you remove them. Of course, you have, after 2 weeks, you start seeing growth, but there's no chip or peeling on the product, these gel polishes. So long as, you know, when you apply it, you do not want to have any of it touching your cuticle. Otherwise, as your nail starts growing out, because let me just tell you, for those novice people out there, if you apply any of the product is touching your skin, I'm sorry, it's going out of focus, touches your skin or is touching your cuticle, as your nail starts growing out, now that's growing out, right? It's no longer has nothing to attach to, because now it's like, let's say it's out here. So you have a gap and it's going to peel off. And yes, and make sure you cap your edges nicely so that to avoid any chipping. And water. Yeah, water is the #1 enemy for nails, any kind of manicure. The less exposure you have to water, the better. Counteract that with cuticle oil for your skin. That's what I say. So let me go ahead and show you, bring out the wheel here, put this aside and show you the colors. Look at this, guys. So what I did, I have each one of these colors with both top coats. One side, focus here. One side I have the glossy top coat, and the other side I have the matte top coat. And hopefully you can still hear. Let's start here with the yellow, because I actually ran out of space here on this wheel for the 20 colors, so I did something like this for this one. For example, you can see the gray. Look at that beautiful gray. Let me see if I can come in up closer without going out of focus. There you see, so here I have the matte. So this is what I say, with the 2 top coats, it's like you're doubling the amount of colors that you have here. You're doubling your possibilities from 20 to 40 different possibilities with these 2 top coats. Here's the yellow and the gray and the matte. And then with the glossy, then we have this beautiful, this is a deep turquoise color. Check it out. That's this one. I don't know if I'm going to show you each one of them, but this is the 199. And the colors, I will say, the labels here, these little stickers, very close to the real thing. So that's good. Here's this beautiful green. Check it out in the matte and the glossy. And then this other one is, oh, I love green. I love green, you guys. And then we have this nude with sort of like a pink base tone right there. I've used this one on my sister, on her design. And then I like this red. It's like a poppy red. Check it out with glossy and matte. Then there's also this gorgeous glitter, red glitter. This glitter has a red base to it. So There you go. And I did, yes. And glitters are very interesting when you put a matte top coat on them because it gives them a texture look. You don't have the texture feel, but it has the texture look. So yeah, some of you might wonder, why would you want to make a glitter matte? Well, again, it's about a different style there. Then we have more of this is more of a true red. There it is with both top coats, and then a deeper red. I went ahead, this gold glitter was another one that I couldn't fit. I put it here on the other part. And yes, there you see it in matte. And with the glossy top coat. Gorgeous gold glitter. And it has, this one has a clear base. Then we have this purple. This purple is beautiful, guys, because look at that glitter. Check it out. Gorgeous in both. And this is more of a maroon or a burgundy glitter, and this one is absolutely stunning. I used it on my sister. The glitter here is holographic. Hopefully you can pick it up there. And I have it here with the matte top coat. Then we have here, this is more of it's coming out in the camera, it's looking red, but in real person it's a true burgundy, I will say. So this is the one that I have on the tip of my nails here. I use these two colors for this design, and obviously the gold glitter on my nails. So these abstract designs are quite popular nowadays, guys. Yeah, they're really trending, and I would say there's nothing new about them, but they're just coming back. You know how everything is in fashion, and same thing with art and nail designs. And so moving right along, we have this brown here. Very pretty. These kind of tend to, give me a more of a fall feel, but very gorgeous. It's very orangey browns. And one of my favorites is this orange glitter. I'm so happy to have this because I have no glitters, no orange glitters at all, believe it or not. Can't believe there's actually still colors that I will not have. Here it is with the matte top coat, and then the glossy. Oh, gorgeous. It has an orange base to it, so it goes on pretty solid on its own. Very nice. Then we have this one here. It has an orange with some yellow undertones. And this one here, I would say is more of a true orange. These two colors, now this one, the orange and the yellow, I also have a design on that one. I did an ombre between the two. I did a design of one of my clients with that one. Gorgeous. This yellow here, well, this one, so kind of like a mustardy yellow. Gorgeous. Something that you'll probably prefer more for the fall. There it is in the matte. And then glossy. And that is the end of the wheel. Aren't they just gorgeous? Again, these are available on Amazon, nicely priced. Beautiful packaging, very suitable for gift giving to yourself or someone out there that it's a DIY person. I do not have any issues using these at a professional level, guys. I do pull a lot of different colors and gels to use on my clients. I have no complaints. They come back to me 3-4 weeks later and their manicures are still intact. So yes, as long as you work well with doing a proper preparation of the nail, proper application, products like these, I mean, I have no complaint. There might be some junky stuff out there, but these are definitely not it. I do have quite a big collection of these MEFA gels. Here I went ahead and pulled out some of the bottles, guys. If you have any questions about these, please leave them below and I'll be happy to answer. Let me give you a close-up, but I will insert a picture of my nails, the design that I have here. I'm very pleased with them. Very cool. These, yeah, so I try to use more than one color when I was using these on my clients. I use 2 to 3 colors on the designs. I will leave you at the end with some photos so you will enjoy them. I would like to thank MEFA for sending me these gorgeous gels to play with and review. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.